Well, hello friends and fellow Disney fans. Welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. Today we are at Stateroom 6303. This is an inside cabin on the Disney Magic. I just wanted to give you a quick room tour, quick cabin tour, so you know what to expect if this is maybe a cabin that you have already booked, or if you're looking forward to, okay, what would the cheapest cabin category be? This would fall into that, and so you kind of want to know what you're in for. Here it is. So when you walk into the cabin, you can actually see the whole cabin right when you walk in. To your left is the bathroom. Unlike your verandas and many of your other room categories, it is not a split bath. It is one bathroom. You got your commode, you got your vanity on the left. Decent size, very bright, very clean. And then you've got your shower and bathtub. Beautiful little bathroom. Again, not super spacious, but more than enough space for you to get ready in the morning and just do what you got to do in there. Then across from the bathroom, you've got your storage. So to your right, you've got one closet where you can hang things up, put in your luggage. On the other side, you got more of the same, more space to pack things, and you've got a nice size safe there. Then if you just move over, you got your vanity. You get, again, tons of storage for clothing on both sides. Right in here, you've got your fridge for you to keep things cool. Got your TV above your TV. More space for stuff. And then again, you need to get ready in the morning. You got waters, glasses, and a spot for you to sit. Across the way, you will see what turns into a bed is a sofa with a little table, nice piece of art, candle on the water. So you've got music from Pete's Dragon, nice little bit of decoration. And then of course the piece de resistance, you've got your bed. Nothing better on a Disney cruise than the bed. So wildly comfortable, the most comfortable beds in the world. Underneath, you've got tons of space for you to store your luggage, so it's not constantly getting in the way. And then of course you have this so that you can kind of separate the area if you've got kids sleeping on the separate bed.
So we want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. If you are interested in planning a Disney vacation, I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, and I would love to help you. My services are completely free. My contact information is all in the description below. You can contact me via email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.